Here presents NEMO, a new anthropogenic emissions dataset at high spatial temporal resolution in the contiguous United States. We will show the methodology and the products of this dataset. This dataset is based on the National Emissions Inventory with base year 2017, and we use the CB6 chemical mechanism to split the pollutants in inventory into model species. Here is the flow chart of the procedures to generate the dataset. The rectangles means the input-output files we need to collect or generate, and the rounded corner rectangles indicate the necessary tools, programs, and models. The processing can be summarized in 4 steps: chemical speciation, temporal allocation, spatial allocation, and file merging. As EPA already provides most of the working input files, our main task is to prepare the distribution profiles, namely surrogates, for the spatial allocation, to assign the county-level emissions into our domain grid. Here is an example of the 1 km grid in Lambert projection for the contiguous United States. To generate the surrogate files, we use the spatial allocator tool to clip the county polygon into each grid and calculate the fraction and weight factors based on the geographical and activity information, such as population and census tracts, traffic flows, commercial and industry activities. A total of 108 spatial surrogates were prepared, including 12 U.S. census-based surrogates, 24 transportation surrogates, 17 land cover surrogates, 20 surrogates for building footprints, 23 surrogates that describe oil and gas well production, 6 surrogates for shipping and ports, and 6 for other industrial and commercial activities. Here shows the grid emission after spatial allocation. The annual and monthly inventory emissions are distributed into hourly based on the temporal profiles provided by EPA. 3 temporal allocation profiles, annual to month, month to day, and diurnal, are applied. For the week allocation, we use 4 representative days, Monday, other weekdays, Saturday, and Sunday, for each month. The speciation profiles used to distribute the inventory pollutants into model species. The profiles for CB6 mechanism are already prepared by EPA. For other chemical mechanisms, they can be created by the speciation tool. The NEMO dataset is stored in 2 formats, NetCDF and shapefiles. Both formats have the same emission sectors with 1 square kilometer resolution. The NetCDF format contains hourly, monthly, and annual data, while the shapefiles only include annual emissions. Additionally, the NetCDF provides the model species for CB6 mechanism in the hourly and monthly data files, and the shapefiles contain integrated species like VOCs, NOx, PM 2.5, and 3 inorganic gases, sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, and ammonia. The data files of monthly and annual emissions that are available on Figshare, and the hourly emission data are stored on our data server at George Mason University. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please contact us.